I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to opt out of Discord AI behavior monitoring on both the Discord desktop and mobile app. Step 1. The first thing you want to do is navigate to the User Settings menu. If you're on the Discord desktop app or website, you can do this by clicking the User Settings gear icon near your username. If you're on the Discord mobile app, tap your profile icon in the menu and then tap the User Settings gear icon on the next screen. The steps will be the same on all of the platforms where you access Discord going forward, but I'll use the mobile app for a visual. Step 2. Select Data and Privacy in this menu. Step 3. Locate the toggle for Use Data to improve Discord, and then turn it off. Tap Yes, I'm sure to confirm. This prevents Discord from using your activity and behavior data to train their internal AI and machine learning models. Step 4. Next, find the toggle for Use Data to personalize my Discord experience, and then toggle that off as well. Tap Yes, I'm sure to confirm again. This ensures your interactions aren't being monitored to serve you specific suggestions or content. Step 5. Find the options for Use My Discord activity to personalize sponsored content, and also use third-party data to personalize sponsored content, and toggle those options off to further limit how your behavior is tracked for targeted advertising. One of the best things about these privacy controls is that Discord usually syncs them across your account. This means that if you change the settings on your desktop app, those preferences should automatically apply to your mobile app and web browser as well. However, it is always a good idea to double-check both devices after an update, as major platform changes can sometimes reset or add new privacy toggles that you'll want to review. Beyond Discord's own settings, remember that individual servers often use third-party AI bots for moderation or fun features. These bots operate under their own privacy policies and are not always covered by Discord's primary switches. To manage these, you should periodically go to your Authorized Apps part of the User Settings menu and revoke access for any bots or services that you no longer use or trust with your data. This provides a second layer of protection for your personal information and chat behavior. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.